we started making a super handy cart for our new MIG welder. The welder itself is a miracle. We haven't experienced anything similar yet. After welding with electrodes for years, this type of welding looks like a toy, a machine from the future. And to make this future more handy, we need to make some conveniences for this welder. A place for itself, for the CO2 cylinder, for the welding mask and other bits and pieces. And we also needed a bright work light for quite a while, because days are not as long as we would like. It's simple yet effective. The build starts from the wheels we found somewhere in the garage. They are heavy duty, so they fit here nicely. By the way, we can't stop enjoying this MIG technology. Previously, the welding process was a serious task. Now it's more like a game with a toy. We couldn't afford it before, but now it's like we have been working with nothing but a chisel and a hammer, and somebody just gave us a CNC machine. It's an incredible boost for our workflow. And it seems like even a school child can master it in a few hours. The settings are simple and straightforward. It just does what you want. So the front turning wheel is built out of scrap metal and an old bearing. Meanwhile, my father attached the rear wheels, and of course the welder helps build its new home. The shelf heights were precisely calculated to accommodate all the tools we need. The cylinder fits here just perfectly. And we decided to fix it with a chain this way. The test drive showed that it drives really smoothly with these big wheels, even though our yard is quite bumpy. The next stage is aesthetics. Orange paint again. It needs to be painted to look like it's not a pile of scrap metal and to hide our welds. As they say, a grinder and paint make you the welder you ain't. Couldn't agree more. And the assembly process, always like it. The cart started filling up with the right tools, and we immediately bought an anti-spatter spray. It's a must-have and prolongs the life of the welding nozzle significantly. We still have to figure out all the nuances of proper welding with this MIG machine. Oh, and the work light can adjust its height, which is really handy for our future body overhaul at night. Well, that's the way the piston turns.